So as we all know, this start stop button, which is given in every Mahindra car, BS6 version 2 cars. This is a very irritating feature which is given by Mahindra, and I have tried to remove it, actually disable it by some method, and I am going to show you how to disable it permanently. And this traction control thing, this will be auto enabled, so that is not going to be an issue. If you want traction control to be enabled, it will stay enabled. So what you have to do is, you have to open this fuse box. Just remove the fuse box, and then you can find a coupler here. Wait, let me try to show you. This coupler here, you have to remove it. Once you remove it, the start stop button will actually get disabled forever until and unless you put this coupler back in. Let me just remove it and show you. It is removed now. As you can see here, the coupler is in my hand, detached from the main wiring harness, and as you can see, the start stop button, it is not functional anymore. It is not functional. And here in the dash, in the this meter thing, you can see there is no start stop button logo anymore. So this is how you can remove this feature. And it was kind of very irritating feature, like every time you have to disable it, and once you forget it, whenever you leave the clutch in traffic, leave the clutch and put the vehicle in neutral, the vehicle stops functioning.